Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 4 which is based on derangement. Define derangement, find the number of derangement of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first we understand what is the definition of derangement. A derangement is a permutation of objects such that no element appears in its original position. So in this question, we have to find the number of derangement for 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what are the number which is given here? 1, 2, 3. According to this, 4 is there. According to derangement means 1 should not be in the position of 1 and 2 should not be in the position of 2 and 3 should not be in the position of 3. So how can we give the notation of these values? It means number of derangement of n objects is given by factorial n, or we can read it as a n subfactorial. So our case 1, which is 1, here I am taking this value. So for this only one permutation is there. It means we can arrange this only one way. So 1 is our correct position. So what is the value of derangement of 1, which is factorial 1 or subfactorial 1, which is equals to 0. For our second case, our value is 2. So in this case, what is our permutation? It means what is the correct position of 1, 2? This is our correct position. So we should not include this one. And what is our another derangement, which is 2, 1? So this is not our correct position. So we can conclude this one. Not is there now. So what is the subfactorial of 2, which is equals to 1? For our third case of 3, here n equals to 1, we are taking this value which is given in this question, n equals to 2 and n equals to 3. So here we are writing the permutation of 3. So we are writing all permutation, which means 1, 2, 3. First I am writing all the permutation, then I will explain how this comes in correct position or not, or derangement. 1, 3, 2. Another one is 2, 1, 3. This is 2, 3, 1. Another one is 3, 1, 2. Another one is 3, 2, 1. So first we remove the permutation which are in correct position, because in this question we have to find the derangement. So 1, 2, 3, this is a correct position, so we remove this one. This is also, if any element is in correct position, we should remove this one, because in this question we have to take the derangement. So this is also 1 is in correct position, so we remove this one. In this 3 is in correct position, so we remove this one. In this no one is correct position, so we can include this one. In this no one is in correct position, so we include this one. Same for this 2 is in correct position, so we remove this one. So only 2 are there, so our derangement, or we can say that subfactorial of 3, which is equals to 2. So now move to our next case, which is n equals to 4. So our next case where n equal to 4. So instead of listing 24 permutation for n equals to 4, we have to use the formula for derangement, which is equals to subfactorial of n, which is equals to n minus 1 subfactorial of n minus 1 plus subfactorial of n minus 2. This is the formula when our n value is greater than 3. So now subfactorial of 4, which is equals to n value is 4, so 4 minus 1 is 3. Like that, subfactorial of this is 3 and plus subfactorial of 4 minus 2 is 2. So subfactorial of 4 which is equals to 3 times, already we know subfactorial of 3 value which is 2 and subfactorial of 2 value which is 1. So subfactorial of 4 which is equals to 3 times of this is 3. So subfactorial of 4 which is equals to 9. So this is the subfactorial value for n equals to 4 which we have to find in this question. So like that you have to solve in the examination case by case to get the full marks. If you want these handwritten notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.